How to verify Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down and head towards the option of help and support. Go to the option Help Center. Now over here, you will find this search box. Type in request a blue verification badge. Now tap on this option, request a verified badge on Facebook. Now scroll down, verify your profile or page. You'll see this option of fill in this form. Tap on that option. In order to verify your profile or page, now you have to fill these. Firstly, you have to select what are you verifying. Enter your profile link. Scroll down. Step 1. Confirm authenticity. Add an official identification document for yourself or your business to show that your profile or page is connected to the public figure, celebrity or brand it represents. So you can tap on this drop down and select the document type, and from here you can upload it. Step 2. Confirm notability, so that the public figure, celebrity or brand your page or profile represents is in the public interest. Now over here type in your country name, likewise audience. Now over here you can add up to 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that show your profile or page is in the public interest. After you fill these, you can tap on the option of send. If your Facebook account meets all the criteria required for the verification process, your account will be verified. So this is the way to verify Facebook account. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.